Hey, it's Chris and Betsy, and we invite you to join us as we go with our friends Pat and Jim, and they're going to introduce us to the Lake Lure boat tours and got us some lunch up in Chimney Rock, North Carolina. After we got our tickets at the tour boat office, we took a brief walk. There's a lovely little park there. It was very nice, and it was a pleasant day that day, so we're happy about that. And of course, what would a park on the water be without things like geese and ducks? And where you have geese and ducks, well, you get warning signs. This is probably the nicest "please don't feed ducks" sign that I've seen. But soon the boat was returning in from its previous run, and so we were ready to get on board, and I'm so glad the lady let us know with her shirt that there were no sharks. So come on aboard as we go, and I hope you enjoy this little tour out here on Lake Lure. After we made it back to dock, our next stop was to drive a little ways up the road till we came to the town of Chimney Rock, North Carolina, where we enjoyed lunch and we enjoyed some of the lovely scenery. And I hope you enjoy this little brief peek at the town. We did not hike up to Chimney Rock. It was getting late in the day, and frankly, we was tired people at that point. But we found the town was quaint. We enjoyed the scenery. We certainly enjoyed hanging out with our friends. Pat, I've known since high school. She was our maid of honor in our wedding many moons ago. But again, it was a beautiful part of the country. If you ever get a chance to explore North Carolina, I hope you'll include Lake Lure and Chimney Rock. Hey, we sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button or even the notification bell, and who knows, as we go, maybe we'll see you on the road. Safe travels to you.